Isn't Eve the mother of all living according to the Holy Writ? Wherefore, every human being alive today has inherited their mitochondrial DNA from one root ancestral grandmother. It is adequate to biblical and scientific evidence pointing to one and the same. Then, the Akan story of inheritance by matrilineal descent, or Ebusua, is worthy to be told. For who is eager to hear, lend me your ear. Among the earliest kinships, clans, and tribes of the earth, old people say were the Akans. For the etymology of the word Akan is the first. These Akans, or the firsters, old people say, were the beginners to master the natural organization of the order of rule, the social system under which kinships and clans thrive. This organization of the order of rule among the Akans is what is known as Ebusua. The Akans are specifically a group of people who identify with this social system of organization. The form of this order of rule is the descent from a common matriarch. Kinships and clans trace their biological origin or bloodline to a single root ancestral mother. They are said to be born or birthed from the same womb. In other words, all are the seed of the woman. Nature has a pattern of material organization which is very dominant in its feminine aspects. All living organisms, from single cell to the most complex cell structures, exhibit this design. A colony of ants and of the bees, for instance, have all organizational structures centered and controlled by and from the queen ant and bee. A memory of elephants are no different. So are a pride of lions. So on and so forth. There is no dispute to the fact that ancient wisdom depicted the earth symbolically feminine. And so it is. Ebusua is a continuation of this natural order of rule among human beings. As a necessary condition of consequence, this order of rule is a practice of natural right, law, and organization. There are so many indigenous communities worldwide that still practice this very ancient and earliest form of social organization. And among such peoples, the Akan system of inheritance by matrilineal descent is the more efficiently organized.